Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Aquarius is the 11th sign of the zodiac, and Aquarians are the perfect representatives for the age of Aquarius. Those born under this sign have the social conscience needed to carry us into the new millennium. These folks are humanitarian, philanthropic, and keenly interested in making the world a better place. Aquarians are visionaries, progressive souls who love to spend time thinking about how things can be better. They are also quick to engage others in this process, which is why they have so many friends and acquaintances. Aquarius is symbolized by the water bearer. In much the same way that the water bearer brings that precious liquid as a gift, Aquarians shower the world with their thoughts and new ideas. Naysayer will quickly find out that Aquarians can be impatient, even temperamental, with those who disagree. Even though Aquarians are happy to give, and they do, it's often on their terms and within their comfort level. Generally, that means ample space. Since these folks are freedom-loving and individualistic and need to roam, they do enjoy travel. While Aquarians are generally sympathetic and compassionate, they like it when things go their own quirky way. Some might call their behavior eccentric, but when you consider that the Aquarian's heart is truly in the right place, a few oddities should be overlooked. Aquarians treasure their many friends and acquaintances and want to give back as much as they can. Aquarius is ruled by Saturn and Uranus. Powerful Saturn was considered the father of many gods in ancient Roman times, and was the original ruler of Aquarius. Uranus is the oldest of the gods in Roman mythology. This planet was discovered much later than Saturn and was only more recently assigned to this sign. The combination of these planetary energies is strong and vibrant, which is why Aquarians love to think and put their ideas out to the world. They also love to think they're right. The fact that these folks can think so creatively and inventively is one of their greatest assets. Those born under this sign have the unique ability to present ideas that will revolutionize the world. Their approach in doing so may be unpredictable, impersonal, and at times cold. The element associated with Aquarius is air, and that means the rarefied air of the intellectual. Aquarians will accomplish much with their broad and logical minds, entertaining complex and scientific ideas for the betterment of all. They are also artistic and inventive. Aquarians are altruistic, humane people who are determined to make a difference. At play, Aquarians like to surround themselves with lots of people, preferably family and friends. Baseball and tennis are fun for these folks, though they should watch for weak ankles, and a daily swim would also be nice. Aquarians favor watery colors, like shiny silver or aqua blue. When it comes to love, Aquarians will also be playful, even flirtatious. While they play for keeps, it won't necessarily feel that way, since these folks are the opposite of jealous. The great strengths of the Aquarius born are their vision, intellect, and humanity. They are determined to make the world a better place and to help everyone they can along the way. They are truly the trailblazers of the zodiac.